And do you know funny thing? All over the world, the Indian media is brainwashing the whole world and making the whole world believe Hindus are aggressors. Hindus are terrorists. Hindus are attackers. The worst, abusive, and most false, distorted narrative about Hindus are being spread all over the world by Indian media. Oh, Hindus, wake up. At least through social media, let us make the world understand Hindus are the most peaceful and most suffered, most attacked, abused, and most peaceful. I beg you, Hindus, with all my humbleness, please start looking beyond your brainwashed success lifestyle. One wife, one house, one car, 2 kids, an IT job. Please start looking beyond that. Next 100 years, all Hindus should give birth to at least 5 kids. Keep 2 to be with you, educate them, make them grihasthas to take care of you in your old age. Send 2 to Sannyas Sampradaya, to Gurukuls, to get intensely educated in Hinduism, get enlightened. Send the last one to become Hindu scholars, living a Grihastha life, but teaching Hinduism in universities, colleges all over the world. Please understand. I request Hindus humbly, last 3 generations, the way Hinduism is getting destroyed, it is scary. It's really scary. I am not asking you to give up your comfortable life and come and become Apat Sannyasis. Whoever can do, I welcome. Fortunately, Paramashiva has given me knowledge to support you all, to make you all successful. And all the devotees have given enough land all over the world for Kailasa to run monasteries. Come, I welcome you to come and be part of Kailasa. Even if you are not able to come, please give birth at least to 5 kids and make sure at least 2 becomes part of the Gurukul, grows, achieves enlightenment, teaches Hinduism to the whole world. It is time this generation need to do this to keep the Hinduism alive. We need to look beyond this 1 house, 1 car, 2 kid, IT job, theory lifestyle. The way Indian mass media cult and Indian cinema industry cult has brainwashed you. Understand, Politicians have their own priorities. Only keeping Hinduism alive in its original form, powerful way of existing, original form of yoga, undiluted, unpolluted by any of the marketing strategies or any of this modern jiknak, chakbook, cat pose, rat pose, inverted dog pose theories and ideas and concepts. Keeping the original Vedic tradition alive, unpolluted, the pre-Max Muller original Vedas and Agamas. Max Muller is the worst corruption happened on Vedic tradition. Even Hindus are deluded to believe Max Muller's version of Vedas as authentic. We need to revive the original Hinduism as it is. The Nityananda Hindu University's job is that. Fortunately, by the grace of Paramashiva and Mahakala Bhairava, we have a safe place where we have a religious freedom to establish Hindu institutions authentically and teach, keep the Hinduism alive. I request all Hindus, start giving birth to 5 kids. Give 2 to Gurukul, the Hindu Gurukul. We will bring them up properly as per Hindu way. Evolve them, nurture them, make them enlightened Hindu sannyasis. And they will be the torch bearers, giving superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. Of course, it's a long-term plan, but all long-term plans has to start at one point. Only if I start now, in next 50 years, I can change this false narrative and hate speech poison dumped on Hinduism and demonstrate it to the world, the authentic Hinduism and how much authentic Hinduism has to contribute to the world and humanity. In every field, we have so much to contribute in every field.